Mix mortar for large format tile so you always have fresh, workable material without wasting any. For a beginner, start by calculating how much thinset you need per square foot based on the trowel notch size and tile thickness, and then convert that to volume so you can mix batches that last about 30 minutes of open time. A common practical method is to mix a half bucket of mortar for the first pass, which gives a manageable volume and lets you learn how quickly you use material on your surface and with your chosen trowel. Measure by volume using the bucket, not by eye, so your water to powder ratio stays consistent and the mortar reaches a creamy, toothpaste-like consistency that will hold ridges when you comb it. Keep a small Deadman board or mixing paddle and bucket at your workstation so you can remix or add a little water in 5 to 10 second increments if the mix stiffens during use. Time your mixing to the manufacturer's stated pot life and ambient temperature because warmer conditions shorten open time while cooler conditions lengthen it, and you should never chase overworked mortar that has started to set. As you gain experience, increase batch size in gradual steps and always record the batch volume and trowel size for each room so you can repeat successful yields on future jobs. The three most common problems are mixing too much and letting mortar set, under-mixing which causes lumps and poor bond, and making batches that are too wet so the ridges collapse. If you mix too much, split the mixed material into smaller containers and use within the open time, or stop and make smaller batches next time. For undermixed mortar, use a mechanical mixer at low speed for 30 to 60 seconds and scrape the bucket sides to fully hydrate the powder and reach a uniform texture. If your mix is too wet, add measured dry powder incrementally to reach the correct ridge holding consistency and note your water volume for the next identical batch. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides community discussions where people share real-world tips and experiences about tasks like mortar mixing and tile layout. We help contractors find work by letting them showcase completed projects and participate in our discussion community to build trust and visibility.